This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming you control the account and have a device ready. Sign in, then navigate directly to security or two-factor authentication. This puts you in the right pane. Choose your preferred method, an Authenticator app, SMS, or hardware key, because each balances convenience and security differently. Once selected, make sure backup codes are saved offline. They're your fallback. If you're using an app, be ready to scan a QR code or enter a numeric code. Now you'll enable the chosen method and prove it works. If using an Authenticator app, open it and scan the site's QR code. If SMS, enter your phone number. Then type the numeric verification code back into the account page to confirm linkage. Once verified, add a recovery email or secondary phone so you can regain access later. Make sure to label devices and note device names so you recognize which device generated codes in the future. Finish by saving backup codes and configuring a hardware key if available, because redundancy prevents lockout. Test the setup by signing in from a different browser or device to confirm prompts appear and codes work. If something fails, don't panic. Use saved backup codes or the account recovery path immediately and contact support only after exhausting those options. Finally, update any trusted devices list and remove old numbers to keep the setup tidy and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.